Fifth, in a world where time moves faster than ever, where decisions are made in milliseconds and data never sleeps, the way we manage our money is changing before our eyes. The familiar habits of budgeting, saving, and investing are being quietly rewritten by a new intelligence. It doesn't sleep, it doesn't forget, and it never stops learning. Artificial intelligence is transforming the very meaning of personal finance. Welcome to AI Pulse Daily, where we explore how the power of artificial intelligence is reshaping our everyday lives and defining the world ahead. Today, we look into how AI is becoming not just a financial assistant, but a life partner, guiding, predicting, and evolving with every decision you make. For generations, financial wisdom was passed down through human experience. We learn through trial and error, through instinct and discipline. But in this decade, something different is happening. Algorithms now understand our habits better than we do. They track our every purchase, analyze every fluctuation, and forecast every opportunity. What once took hours of spreadsheets and planning is now instant, invisible, and adaptive. Imagine waking up and discovering that your financial life has already organized itself. Your bills are paid, your savings are growing, and your investments are balanced, all automatically. The dream of a smart wallet that knows you personally is no longer science fiction. It's reality. The story begins with a simple but powerful question. What happens when machines start managing money better than we can? At first, finance was a human art. People balanced checkbooks, kept ledgers, and made decisions based on instinct. Then came apps and dashboards that gave us data. But artificial intelligence turned data into something more: foresight. AI doesn't just record, it learns. It studies your spending, your habits, your income patterns, and it anticipates what's coming next. It quietly observes the rhythm of your financial life, when you splurge, when you save, when you struggle. And it learns how to help without you even asking. Today, AI not only predicts your next expense, but suggests smarter alternatives. It knows when your paycheck hits, when your bills are due, and when you're about to go over budget. It gives advice that's precise, not generic. You spending a little more on entertainment this month. Adjusting that could save you $150. This is not a cold algorithm. It's an intelligent mirror, reflecting the story of your financial behavior. The same transformation has reshaped investing. A decade ago, building wealth required expertise or expensive advisors. Now, AI-powered robo-advisors handle everything. They analyze millions of data points in real time, market trends, global events, currency fluctuations, and respond instantly. While human investors may act out of fear or greed, AI remains calm. It sees the market as a vast pattern, constantly adjusting and balancing. The brilliance lies in personalization. The AI understands your goals, whether you're saving for retirement, buying a house, or preparing for your child's education, and it builds a unique strategy tailored just for you. Devolves with your life, just as a trusted advisor would. The result is financial intelligence that never sleeps and never loses focus. And perhaps the greatest gift of this revolution is access. Financial guidance that once belonged to the wealthy elite is now available to anyone with a smartphone. AI has democratized investing, turning what was once privilege into opportunity. But AI's power reaches even deeper into the day-to-day management of money. Most people struggle with budgeting. We plan, we set goals, and life gets in the way. But with AI, budgeting no longer depends on discipline. It depends on awareness. Modern AI systems automatically categorize expenses, detect forgotten subscriptions, and suggest cheaper alternatives. You can ask your digital assistant, "Can I afford a night out this week?" and get an answer that considers every detail: your savings goals, upcoming bills, and projected expenses. These systems don't just react, they anticipate. They warn you before overdrafts happen, simulate future spending, and even guide you toward long-term stability. Beyond convenience lies something more profound: inclusion. Across the world, billions remain unbanked, excluded from traditional financial systems because they lack a credit score or formal history. AI is rewriting that story. New fintech platforms analyze alternative data, like mobile payments, rent records, and even social patterns to create fairer, more accurate credit profiles. Someone without a credit card can now qualify for a microloan because AI sees responsibility where human systems saw invisibility. For the first time, technology isn't just serving the privileged, it's opening doors for everyone. Financial empowerment is becoming a global right, not a luxury. But every new power comes with responsibility. AI thrives on data, personal, intimate, and constant. The more it knows about you, the better it can serve you. Yet this raises questions about ownership and privacy. Who controls that information? Who ensures that algorithms remain fair? There is also the silent risk of bias, too. If an AI learns from flawed human data, it can inherit those flaws, denying loans unfairly, misjudging risk, or favoring one group over another. And perhaps the most subtle danger of all, dependency. If we let machines handle every decision, do we lose our sense of financial discipline? Does convenience dull our awareness? These questions remind us that technology must be guided by ethics. AI's intelligence is only as good as the humanity behind it. Still, despite the risks, the potential is extraordinary. Picture a near future where your financial ecosystem runs itself. You sleep, while your AI pays your bills, reallocates your investments, and optimizes your savings automatically. It monitors market shifts, predicts inflation trends, and keeps you on track toward your goals without constant input. In that world, the role of human advisors won't vanish, it will evolve. People will still provide empathy, understanding, and life context. AI will handle precision and scale. The partnership between human intuition and machine intelligence will define the new standard of wealth management. There's an emerging idea called emotional AI in finance. Systems designed not just to analyze your numbers, but your moods. These AIs can detect emotional spending patterns. If you buy impulsively when stressed or skip saving when anxious, they'll recognize it. They may send a calming notification or pause risky transactions. It's a new kind of financial therapy, blending psychology with code. Imagine your financial assistant saying softly, "It seems he had a stressful week. Do you still want to make this purchase?" It's not about restriction, it's about reflection. Score. Money is emotional, and AI is beginning to understand that. But will AI ever replace human decision-making completely? Probably not. Money is more than logic. It's tied to identity, culture, and personal dreams. AI can calculate probabilities, but it cannot define meaning. It can tell you what's smart, but not what's right for your soul. The true strength of this technology lies in collaboration. Humans bring vision and values. AI brings precision and power. Together, they create something far greater than either could alone. As we look forward, the AI-powered future of personal finance isn't about surrendering control. It's about redefining it. Control no longer means micromanaging every dollar. It means setting clear intentions and letting technology execute them flawlessly. The goal is freedom. Freedom from financial stress, from constant calculation, from the fear of mistakes. In this new world, wealth isn't just measured by money. It's measured by time, peace of mind, and purpose. AI doesn't just make you richer, it gives you back your most valuable currency, your attention. So, as you listen to this, imagine a life where your finances hum quietly in the background, perfectly tuned to your goals. The markets shift, but you remain steady. The bills arrive, but they're already handled. The system learns and grows with you, anticipating needs before they appear. That's not a fantasy. It's the financial future unfolding around us right now. The question isn't whether AI will shape your money. It already has. The real question is how you'll shape your relationship with it. This is AI Pulse Daily, exploring how artificial intelligence is transforming our world, one insight at a time. Subscribe, stay curious, and keep your pulse on the future. Because the future of finance isn't about numbers, it's about wisdom. And wisdom, powered by intelligence, is just beginning.